Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another crypto video, and today we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin, ADA Cardano, and ORN from Orion Protocol. Before we get into any of that, I just want to say that I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say is strictly my opinion on the market. So you should do your own research before investing your money into crypto. So I just wanted to show you this little graph over here, guys. This is the Bitcoin performance after its halving. So we can see that there was a halving in 2012 and 2016, and the most recent one in 2020, May to be specific. So this is where it peaked out after the halving in 2012. And this is 11 months after halving, so around a year. Now, the previous time, the previous one in 2016, that having the Bitcoin basically peaked out about 17 to 18 months after its halving. And this is where we are. The red line is where we are right now. So we are far away from the peak, and we are far away from the peak in this bull market. We are in the alt season though, so alts are pumping hard right now. So that is pretty exciting. Now let's jump into the market quickly. We can see that Bitcoin is performing well. Ethereum is pumping a bit, and I think that is due to the fact that PayPal announced their merchant payments, and that pumped the price up a bit. We can also see that BNB is doing really good, up 12% in the past 24 hours. So yeah, the market's looking healthy, guys, and a lot of shit coins are hitting like incredible prices and hitting 10 to 20 x's in a couple of days, and that's just crazy. So be careful where you invest your money, guys. Never buy the peaks and never buy altcoins that you haven't researched. Now let's get into Bitcoin, and I know this chart may seem a bit messy, but bear with me. If you watched my previous videos, you will know what these trend lines mean. So starting with the wide trend lines, now this was a downtrend, a broadening downtrend that we were in, and this is where we formed it, as you can see. So where we form it is basically our next target, and we almost got to that target right here, guys. So this is on the 4-hourly chart. So as you can see, we did break down with this trend, tested the 200 EMA over here, bounced off the 20 EMA, broke through the 55 EMA, bounced off of it. The 20 EMA crossed the 55 EMA, which was a bullish cross. That is a very bullish sign. And now we are here, guys. So I would like to see a retest of the 20 EMA just to confirm that we are in this uptrend, just so we can refuel a bit more and then keep going up. Because if we don't test this 20 EMA in a long time, that means that when we go crashing down, we are going to crash down even harder. So that is just a healthy retest of the 20 EMA that I want to see before we get to this target. And we will get eventually to this new all-time high. And this is the target from this symmetrical triangle over here. Well, this is a descending triangle. And how we get this target is by having a trend line from the top of the descending triangle. I always get them wrong. I do apologize for that. And so basically from the top where the triangle was formed, and we have our breakout over here. So that is basically our price target. That's how we got there. And I do believe we're going to get to that target in maybe a week's time. You can't really say, you can't really be sure. Maybe Elon Musk decides to put in another $10 billion into Bitcoin and it pumps like crazy. So you never know. You can't really predict anything in crypto, but you can make a technical analysis, and this is what we're doing right now, guys. This is basically charting. So this is going to play out in some time. Don't expect charts to play out quickly. And as you can see, this is the descending triangle. If we were to break down, I would see us testing this previous level over here, because it does have quite the support level. As you can see, the 57,200 level, that has quite the support. So we did touch it all the way back in beginning of March. So 11th of March, I believe here. Yeah, that was when we were hitting this resistance level. So this is a good resistance level if we break down, and that does actually touch the 20 EMA, which means that we could actually come back down to this 20 EMA. Once it creeps up a bit more, a bit higher, then we bounce off of it and we come back and take out this target. That would be the bullish scenario. Failing that, a breakdown, you could target this descending triangles trend line over here, and you could target that as support, guys. But I don't think we're gonna break down anytime soon. That's just my opinion, because we did form this bull cross, a bullish cross. I mean, and on the RSI, we don't look oversold just yet. If we get anywhere above the 70 level, that means that we are oversold. Currently, we are not oversold, and the volume looks okay. So yeah, the market's looking healthy. Bitcoin's looking healthy. Let's jump into Cardano. Now on Cardano, we do seem to be in this ascending triangle. Now we do have our target over there at $2.12. I know our target was a bit different last time, but this is what we are looking at right now. And the closer we get to the apex, the more likely we are to break out of this. We could also break down, obviously, but it doesn't seem like we're going to be doing that. You can target this trend line, this side of the triangle, as a support, as a heavy, strong support for for ADA. I'm sorry, and this is going to be a great support line, like I said. So we did have these two tops over here, and just like with the Bitcoin chart, from the top of the triangle all the way to the bottom of it, and that is how we got this target, guys. So there it is, $2.12. We could take out that target, but that's gonna take some time as well, guys. So as we get closer to the apex now, what I see happening, guys, is us coming back up a bit, coming back down, testing this support line, because there is a good support line over there, and then potentially breaking out and taking out that target. But we do have to take out the previous all-time highs before. So we're going to get rid of that, and we do have a bit of a support and resistance area over here. So we're looking to break this resistance area right now, and that will be very helpful. Now jumping into the 4-hour chart. It actually loads up. So on the 4-hour chart, we're looking very good as well. So on the 4-hour chart, we can see that, so this is basically our all-time high, and this is the resistance that we just dropped here, guys. We could actually put it a bit, just a tiny bit higher. So this $1.23 is a good resistance level that we want to take out. We did form 4 tops over here, as you can see on the 4-hourly chart. And once we do break that, then we're looking all good. So we do seem to have a little bit of support over here as well. So you can target that as a support area as well. So we're bouncing off of it pretty quick, pretty oftenly, as you can see here, and here as well. And yeah, we're looking very bullish on ADA right now, guys. I'm gonna tell you, once that Africa deal comes through and we have official announcements coming in, the price is gonna pump like crazy, guys. And imagine what's gonna happen when the Goguen mainnet launches and we do indeed have smart contracts. So that is going to be incredible, and I just can't wait for that to happen. I do have a bag of ADA. I am involved in ADA, and I have its taking right now. Now on the RSI, we don't look oversold. We're at the 54 level, which is pretty good. Once you get over the 70 level, that's when you are oversold, guys. Keep that in mind. And yeah, let's get the EMAs back in here. So as you can see, we are bouncing off these EMAs. We did make a bullish crossover here. We still haven't taken off. We need a little bit more volume coming in. That's what's gonna push the price up. If any news come out, guys, that would be our rocket ship to the moon, and potentially taking out this previous high of $1.29, almost $1.30. So that is what we're looking at right now, guys. It is looking very exciting for ADA. Now let's have our fib up. Let's throw our fib up to see where we are on the charts right now. We are going to get these 20 EMAs removed for a bit, and we are gonna hide these trend lines just so it's a little bit more of a clear picture for you guys. So as you can see, we are now testing the 0.382 level. There is a lot of testing over here. A lot of fighting going on around here as well. So yeah, we do need to break this 0.5 level. Once we do that, we are taking out this previous high, and then we're going to consolidate a bit on the 0.618 level, because this is the golden ratio. This is a golden pocket of the fib retracement. And once we do that, we're going to break the all-time high, have the full retracement, and then we're going to take out take out this all-time high and be in new waters, guys, because this is very exciting once again for Cardano. I am so glad I bought into this project early. I bought in, well, not early. Early would be in March last year at 2 cents. That would be early. I did buy in before. I bought in at 45 cents basically. So I am up quite a bit on Cardano, guys. Hopefully you are too. But yes, once we take out this level, guys, this fib level, we are looking to take out the previous all-time high, and I think that is coming, guys, within a week. Actually, I think within a week we could have a new all-time high for Cardano. That is just my opinion, guys. Now, that is it for Cardano. If I did miss anything on the charts, let me know down below. Let's jump into Orion Protocol. But before we do that, on the Orion Protocol website, you do have a countdown for the mainnet launch. Now, the price is a bit stagnant. I really must say that I did expect a little bit of a pump today, but we did not get that. Now, once again, guys, I have been talking about this for quite some time on the channel. I did expect a pump a day or 2 days before the mainnet launch. That didn't happen, all right? That didn't happen. We still have some time, but what I wanted to do is to sell off on the pump, buy back in at a pullback later on, early in April, and then stake my coins. But if that wasn't going to happen, if we did have a straight dump, then that's all right. I'm not going to be selling. I would go straight to staking my coins because I believe in this project long term, and staking is a great way to increase your positions because there is a good APY on staking on KuCoin, and I will have a video on that once I get to staking on KuCoin. But staking on the Orion protocol, I believe, is going to be up in Q4, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that. I do believe it's in Q4, but as you can see, we are in this broadening channel right now, guys. The price seems to be, consolidating for a bit. And on the RSI, we are not overbought. This is the 4-hour chart. And what I can expect, guys, because this is a long consolidation level. What I would like to see is actually, if we just hide this for a bit. Now, I do see us forming a symmetrical triangle over here. So yes, we are forming a symmetrical triangle over here. So we are making higher highs and we are making higher lows and we are making lower highs. There we go. And we are very close to the apex, guys. So potentially what we could be looking at is a bit of a dump, a bit of a pump, actually. I do apologize. I am misspelling a lot of stuff because I am very tired. I'm after work, guys. It is late over here in my place. And yeah, so this is the target. So out of this symmetrical triangle from the top to the bottom, that is potentially our next target, guys. If we do indeed break out, that's $35.15. That is what I was targeting initially. And we could see that because we are potentially going to break out. We are in this apex over here, guys. We should break out. This resistance line is really choking us over here, and we want to get past that. So yeah, it is looking good. But if we do get a bump, if we do get a dump, guys, do not worry. Go stake your Orion protocol if you have enough, though. If you have like 15 coins, I wouldn't go stake that, guys. But I'm not giving you financial advice. But yeah, guys, if you want to sell at the top here, then that's okay. You can sell off and buy back in at a retest, because if we bring up the moving averages, as you can see, they are retesting each other. And when you see these retests of EMAs, usually the price just jumps up. And if you can see over here, they did retest, jump up, retest over here, jump up. But this retest, the price went up. Now this is a bit of a longer retrace or retest over here. So I don't know, guys. It's really hard to say what's going to happen tomorrow. As you can see, we do have 19 hours left. So I will be looking at the charts tomorrow, and hopefully I can get a video before that, but I'll see what I can do, guys. I'm not gonna promise anything, but it would have been nice if we did have a Telegram chat, guys. So let me know what you think of that. If we can have a Telegram chat where we can chat live, share our trades, and share useful info to each other, that would be amazing in my opinion, guys. But let's see if we can take out this high tomorrow. If not, we could be testing the previous resistance levels, and I did have those. Let me just bring up back my we do want to test this at some point. We do want to come back to this trend line, test it, and then shoot back up, because I don't know. That's what I see on the charts. I see us pumping up a bit and retesting this line because it is gonna get extended like this over here, and that is potentially what we are looking at. Now, we did have our symmetrical triangle over there, but we're gonna take it out right now. That is the price prediction that I have, guys. It's not really a prediction. It's just based on the TA that I'm doing over here, guys. So let me know if I did miss anything on the charts. A bit of a long video here. I do apologize for that, guys. So yes, let me know what you think of that Telegram chat. If you want to sign up to Binance, by the way, I do have a referral link that's going to get you 10% off all your trades. And if you want to check out my last video on 8 technical indicators that I use and how to use them, then you can check out that video. It's not doing too well because I think it's a bit long, but it's a very educative video and you're going to get a lot of knowledge from that video, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below and I'll catch you tomorrow.